welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Sharde, and today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect everyday twist. Now, if you are already part of the tribe, then you already know, girlfriend, I love Outre Springy Afro Twist hair. This is my third video, and if you are new to my channel, girlfriend, don't trip, okay? Because I will be putting my other two videos down in the description box. So once you finish watching this video, go and check out my other two videos, okay? So the first thing that I want to go over is how to prep. You want to make sure you prep your hair for this protective hairstyle. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your hair is stretched. I noticed that when I try to do any kind of protective hairstyle on my hair and it's not stretched, it don't blend well. So when I stretch my hair, when I say stretch, I'm talking about if you have shampooed your hair the night before, braid it so it can be stretched, or you can blow dry it. Now, if you are like me and you don't like a lot of heat to your hair, you can shampoo it and just braid it, okay? You want to make sure that you get the right product. So what I like to use is a board brush for my edges. And then I like to use the 𝐀𝐁𝐎𝐿, and I also like to use the 𝐀𝐿. I think I'm saying that right, okay? And then also I like to use like a styling cream. Now, the styling cream should be like a moisturizer. It shouldn't revert your hair. So I tried my Design Essentials curling cream, put it on my hair as a moisturizer, didn't work. It started reverting my hair. So make sure whatever moisturizer you are using is not going to revert the hair back to its natural curl pattern. It's just going to hydrate it a little bit. And I say hydrate your hair because your hair will be in this style for at least 4 weeks, okay? So you don't want to put it on dry hair. You will also need an oil. You don't want anything heavy. A lightweight oil would be great for this hairstyle. When I am twisting my hair, I do not worry about my parts. Now, I don't want my parts to be sloppy, okay? Your sister don't want to be out there bogus. However, I don't have time to be in that mirror like this. Like, I only got a couple of hours. Y'all know my kids at school. I need to get this hairstyle in before my kids get out of school, because that's when I'm doing all of this stuff, y'all. Recording videos, doing this hair stuff. Y'all already know, the tribe know where her kids at. They at school. So when I am doing my hairstyle, I just want my parts to be good enough for me to put the twist in. It don't have to be perfect. And when you do your parts, if you are doing the brick laid pattern, it's not going to even matter, to be quite honest. I'm not a professional braider, and I'm not on IG taking pictures of people's heads. So the clean parts is important, but it's not like the #1 priority to me. So you want to make sure that you use a brick laid pattern when you are putting in these twists, especially if you're not the kind of woman that cares about super clean parts. Also, when you part your hair, you want to make sure that you put a little bit of the 𝐀𝐁𝐎𝐿 on your twist. Now, if you do your hair or get your hair done by somebody, you know these products can rack up at the beauty supply, girl. So 𝐀𝐁 is not cheap unless it's on sale, okay? Unless it is on sale, it's not cheap. So what I like to do is I like to put my 𝐀𝐁 on my base so I can mend my hair well with the Outre hair. And then as I go down with my twist, I use the 𝐀𝐿 because I can get that for $2 at Walmart. So I'm good with that. Also, when I twist, I always twist counterclockwise. That's going to help your twist stay secure. So as you can see, I am going the opposite direction versus just going around, because that twist is not going to stay. So you want to make sure that you follow those tips throughout your whole head, and I promise you will have a nice hairstyle for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Now, 6 weeks is pushing it a little bit. I don't recommend that you wash your hair, so I'll say about like 4 weeks. Like for me, I like to keep my hair, one hairstyle up for 1 month. So 4 weeks would do me good. 6 weeks is if I'm just tired and I just don't feel like taking down my hair. But like I said, I don't recommend you wash this hair because it is synthetic, and you can also see how the ends can get a little dry and how they can be a little scraggly. So what I like to do also for my ends, I like to put a little oil. I noticed when I did my previous video with the 24 inches, every time I will put on my shirt, like it would get caught to my shirt. So just spray it with a little oil sheen or put a little oil on it. You're only going to need 3 packs of this hair. I actually use 2.5 packs. So I use 2 plus these 2 little bundles right here. And I only paid $10. $10 for each pack. So you get a nice everyday hairstyle for only 30 bucks. If you are on a budget, holla at your girl in the comments, okay? 30 bucks. So that's all you're gonna need. Also, for me, what I like to do at night is tie my hair up at night with a scarf or a bonnet, because you don't want it to get old quick. And like I said, this is synthetic hair, so you want to make sure that you keep it protected at night. You can go to the beauty supply and get you a big bonnet. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The perfect everyday hairstyle for me, because I can get up and go in the morning. So when I get ready, y'all, it don't take me that long because my hair is already done. I take my bonnet or my silk scarf off and I'm ready to go. I love this hairstyle for work. I love it also if I'm just doing some errands, running some errands. I can just put my hair in a nice little bun. Girl, I would take this hair, wrap it up so quick, you know, and just, y'all know how we do. You know how we do. So I love it for work and when I'm running errands, and also for the gym. This month, I'm going to be at the gym a lot. So I needed something that will allow me to sweat, go home, get in the shower, and be done for the rest of the day. So that's why I say this is the perfect everyday twist, because it's simple to do, it's affordable, and it lasts for a while, and your hair is protected. So I hope you ladies found some value in this video. If you did, give that like button a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel and you love this video, subscribe now and share my video. And I will see you guys on the next Sharde TV film.